28,949 students appear Class 12 Examination 2019 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSIM in 100 Examination Center. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina counters BJP National President's claim to pass CAB 2019 in Rajya Sabha when BJP reigns again. And lack of basic amenities at Ziribam foreigner checkpost hinders state police, especially women personnel, in carrying out their duty of checking illegal migrants. Hello and welcome to Back News. So watching Prime Time English News, and I'm Premi Thangchum with the headlines in details. Class 12 Examination 2019 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSIM begin today. Altogether, 28,949 students are appearing the examination in 100 exam center across the state, with 20,731 students in science stream, 7,554 students in art stream, and 664 students in commerce stream. 100 flying squad teams of COSIM are putting all-out efforts to ensure smooth and proper conduct of the examination. Many volunteers of student organizations, guardian organizations, state police have extended full support to COSIM for successful conduct of the examination. It may be mentioned that Prescribed Alliance for Social Unity of Kanglai Park Asuk have warned COSIM officials, exam OC, invigilators and students to abide by the rules of the examination. Asuk also imposed public curfew within 200 meters diameter of every examination center. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina assured to fight tooth and nail to prevent passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in Parliament. He was retaliating to a recent statement made by BJP National President Amit Shah, who asserted of passing the bill when BJP reigns the centre once again. Dr. Thokchom Maina was speaking to media at the sidelines of an inaugural ceremony of an old-age home at Langjing, Achokba today. The event was organized by Kangla Acupressure Alternative Therapy Treatment Research and Training Center. Strongly condemning the bill, Dr. Thokchom Maina further asserted that the center is not fully aware about the possible negative impact of the contentious bill in Northeast states. He said discussion on the bill may be even considered only when a protection clause for Northeast states is inserted in the bill.
Hajiti Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha nahan prorok tawre aduna prorok tawrobnina sarkar na tawgi hargadi only route ordinance ni ordinance tawkani habinati assembly session leri khidi yade session loire session leitrabnina amuk leiroi session adagi tamsi Lok Sabha tamda adunga amisar yam clear hare moina kaiba halagadi moi tawni adunga saigi aina aham hajigiba jileriba India gi dispensation di hariba posi moi yamna anna honaba moi agenda amani habako aduna adigi potu khangmino ne dubaudi khangminaraga leire tawre ko oppose tawni risto ko yaroi tawbi yaroi mari Mayam Singna, Noi Sigedi Soy, having a singba, Sagi, Bills there, May Singna, Hiragadi, Kanabia, the Natragadi, Hajila in this present form. They put the tooth and nail opposed to Winnie and Dogato.
Manipur People's Party MPP stated that BJP-led NDA government did not table Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, fearing defeat being a minority party in Rajya Sabha, and not because BJP cares for the sentiment of Northeast people, nor was the party challenged by the anti-CAB movement by people of Northeast states. Speaking to media at MPP office today, MPP President O. Jogindro reminded that BJP National President Amit Shah assured to pass CAB 2019 when BJP comes back to power during a yesterday's meeting held at South Lakhimpur. He also strongly condemned the arrest of Masad advisor Thokchom Viwond under sedition charge and Kishore Chand Wangkhem under NSA for speaking against the government.
Tasengnamak makoina Praja North East Ladiva Praja Singh Nunksiva, Amasung, Sanbiva Ming Yingba, William Lagadi, Bill C. Withdraw Torga, Shemtopa Yava, Close Kara, North East Ladiva Praja Singh, Aduga, particularly Manipur Ladiva Praja Singh Chemasi, Soktanaba Koi, Bill Shemtokani, Shemtoka Davani, Haidana, Maha Wahi Maset, Amatujat Tambayavani, Kanagumani Pamana Magi, freedom of express, Aduga, freedom of speech, Madu Carten to Tamaba, Karigumam Hova, Sangang Tupu Yadragadi, Barota democracy, Sally Hiva Sigi, Wahan.
Taking part in the press meet, MPP General Secretary Administration H. Gita Jain refuted the statements released during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club yesterday, which declared dismissal of Ojugindro as MPCC President and appointment of El Apabi as the new MPP President to be a ploy of some individuals to defame the party. Gita Jain proclaimed that El Apabi is not related to MPP and that the party does not recognize him.
Esarona Hadiba City Onam Jugin Singazi, President Bot Kare, Haduna certificate Gakun Ukram Shaman. Hadiba Ikakuno, Ulibanipa Siga, Bot Panari Manunda, Narangla Embassy, Bot Kahok the Banipama, the Monetary Embassy, Yamnaite, the General Secretary Administration Mani Haina Kana, Portion at Emma, talks like that. But I when a Kaluta when do Yamtin Yamnaite, she left from Saruksi, the Sena Makuta. Masih kayak nomor port pasal untuk Mali. Koi ngarangi, koi MPP ki President Makhalle hai lalu thukiba Apabi hai bedu, koi kamari lene de. Apabi hai disi koi mamangi 2015 ki tang tarama pan ki tha ahum. Hari ba Apabi hai bani pasi primary membership tagi suspend tawre hai na koi order thu lejaram ban.
Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council, in a press release, strongly condemned the statement made by BJP National President Amit Shah for including CAB 2019 in BJP election manifesto for the upcoming Lok Sabha election to ensure passing of the bill. CPI Manipur State Council declared to strive at both state and national levels to prevent passing of the bill in the parliament. Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, in a press release, strongly condemned the unwarranted arrest of former President cum advisor of Masad, V1 Thauchom, by a combined team of Manipur and Delhi police for his rental room in New Delhi, Saket, on February 15, stating that unwarranted arrest of an individual is a shameful act of the government. MUSU demanded immediate unconditional release of V1. MUSU also warned that it will not remain silent if the government does not stop hunting down anti-CAB protesters. Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad, in a press release, strongly condemned all the allegations charged by SP Imphal East District Police K. Meghachandra against Masad advisor V1 Thauchom in relation to his arrest by the combined team of Delhi and Manipur police. Masad also demanded immediate unconditional release of V1. Moving ahead, cease work strike by SSA and Ramsar teachers in demand for due salary and promotion of qualified teachers entered 14-day today. As a part of their ongoing protests, over 3,500 SSA and Ramsar teachers staged sit-ins under joint SSA Ramsar Teachers Association in front of their respected ZEO offices across the state. The protesting teachers at ZEO Zone 2 Porompat want of intensifying their agitation against the indifference of the government to their demands.
Dedicatedly hona Japanese hana desu ado hajisu akoi angang mangkhaidagi lapthoga larik takpa phangdabase emotionally akoi yam nuaijate akoi larik taksage aduna akoi honorable CM na atopa mamangida mayamda akoi miyeng sangbigi badumna akoi gise thuna athuba matamda miyeng sangbiu
gi silent protest sit-in protest si sanghan jarambadagi tabirakta taragadi akoi thena kanba makhal makha kaya gi khongjang changhin jagani haina tandam thamjari hunger strike na singba adagi ban blockade phawa tausira haidana khanjai.
Meitei Nationalist Organization MNO has appealed for peaceful coexistence of both valley and hilly inhabitants of the state amid daily struggles of life. The organization declared that works are underway to unite people of hills and valley. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MNO President K. Mahendra said that the organization reached an agreement with hilly inhabitants to allow settlement of valley inhabitants in hilly areas. He also said MNO intends to undertake cultivation of medicinal plants and to rear livestock in such areas to boost economy of the state.
कोने तौदुरुसी फार्म तौरे हरगा फार्म सिदा मागी लम लेजब कांगु थबक दि फंगदबा लाइले सो हेबा सिंदु अखोइदा थबक पीदुना अखोइना मसी हिंगनबगी लंबीदा सेंथोक लंबी लेनबयोंता अखोइना मसी अखोइदा खुरोंग चावा कया पिगदुरनि लोइनाना अखोइना चिंगदा कारगदि चिंगदा लेहलगदि अखोइगी चिंगी एरिया सिंगदा अखोइ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फनबा अदगी अना लाइंग संग कई अखोइगी तौबा याबा अदि सिटी अमा ओइनबा अखोइ मदुगी पांदम अखोइ चंगसिलकदुरबनि
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO warned of intense hesitations if government fails to provide 4% reservation for OBC Meitei Pangal community for the recruitment of 2013 male constable batch. Speaking to media at MMWO headquarters in Hataminuthong today, MMWO General Secretary Muhammad Aminuddin condemned the government for remaining silent despite the controversial results of 2013 Manipur Police male constable, stating that 80 seats should have been reserved for OBC Meitei Pangal community as per 4% reservation of the 2000 seats. Animuddin asks why the community was provided only 61 seats and why 19 seats were wasted. The MMWO General Secretary reminded that MMWO took out democratic protests against the same earlier. He criticized both the present and the previous governments of being inconsiderate and of carrying out works at whims. Muhammad Animuddin said MMWO rejects government's justification of not being able to provide the full 4% seats due to backlog.
OBC Meitei Pangal singi phangpham thokpa 4% je masi suna PB naba koi government karak han haije khre hojik su haije karigo masi PB de batar ga di Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization na landam masigi miyam ga makhal makha kya khomjang changsin gini police constable lising ani lobasida 4% da yenga ga di akoi phangpham thokpa si marfu ne hojik government PB ribsi subnagi humphuma thoi katani award patram polase karam bamatam da hapsin bigide ga habsi government ga akoi paukhom yam thuna pami karigo government na akoi haije basi tabi de batar ga di makhal makha kya gi mahol pok ya khomjang changsin lapu yai an gi mayok do singna jagani lakdo Sinda Manipur Lariba Meitei Pangal Singna BJP Asawa Parama Tambigani Habse Nasigi Paliba Gomena Munna Kangi from Toy while you sit Masingse Masi Atu Matam da Masigi Happy Rega Yam Apaba Sokat Kunayama or Henning Sokatan Lariba obviously Meitei Pangal Singbo Sokalam Asawa Mating Pangani.
All Manipur VDF Welfare Organization in a press release urged the government to table charter of demands of BDF personnel during the upcoming budget session of Manipur Legislative Assembly on February 20th. Chongtham Laikai Social Welfare Organization and Laimarol Apunba Nupi Lup Singjamai Chingamakong Chongtham Laikai jointly staged a sit-in at Singjamai Bazaars today demanding befitted punishment for Thokchom Churchill and to stop issuing gun license. It may be recalled that Thokchom Churchill opened fire in Chongtham Laikai, causing panic among the locals on February 17th. Speaking to media, Secretary of Laimarol Apunbanupi Lup Sarungbam Ongbi Medini accused Thokchom Churchill of firing gunshots on 2 earlier occasions. Medini asks if anyone with a licensed gun is allowed to shoot in public area, causing panic. The Secretary of the Women Association appealed to the relevant authorities to take strict actions against Thokchom Churchill.
Laikai da mana license bang pi da pinna raga mai toga laikai da mi harkan to kon tong na agadi akoi ma siam ki ba aduga mabu hujik phana hai sani laikai miam na silai han bawa kinai ba ai ni matung na tobiro ma dandi pibiro magi khongbam sa laikai da haijaro ahalaman da ବ୍ୟବହାର to si yad banina kari ma amuk thora simadi amsu tawdori ba hujik laikai na pami se hujik case ki rai gi matung na court ki matung na di tawragani tawdabu Hongdon da bay wadanim laikai se ma laihan ba kinare tan thokro makti haining de laikai na lehaning de.
A detained person in Kabul police custody hung himself to death in police lock-up room yesterday. The deceased is identified as Haishnam Sarad Kumar, 48 years, son of late H. Mani from Khordak, Mayai Laikai. Upon hearing news about his death, enraged family members and residents of Khordak, Mayai Laikai stormed Kabul police station today. Police resorted to firing tear gas shells and smoke bombs to disperse the angry mob. MLA of Thang Assembly constituency T. Robindro arrived at the spot to pacify the agitators. The MLA gave the assurance for an in-depth investigation into the incident. Sarat Kumar was accused of poaching at Kaibul Lamjau National Park and was produced before the court on February 14th, following which he was put into police remand for 8 days at Kaibul police station.
Pagi besar Kumar si hingga pagi bani masa terlena lebih nate mawon dah kayak gumba kanam terlebih nate adu gumba masa natsel hai posisi madam cate na besu nate police department gap kantor ka tanah ka moi police ki miot minai dah taseng na moi na moi se madu hatuaga mayam ki pakum jupi yana na ba uthau yan bani hajen be poni koi leba ki ba ain kan myam ama leiri saisa lalam ba mi ki danti dum phangjani aduna ji inquiry tawdana magistrate inquiry tawdana adu chap chabi ama tholakani si marak sida khoina mayam sauba khopa jing atang ingdara kanda koi ki Mapi mapa lady Mr. Da honorable Mr. Da kone wari si lila kanda kai kai no haiba do action do lokhat na ba ko tausi haiba phom chinaina ai gi jesi mai ben se chamyam da thamjari se.
Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at various places of Imphal West district today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operation, Imphal West Police, Tej Krishna Tombi carried search operations at Thangmaiban, Yumnam Laikai and Tharon village from 5 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Altogether, 650 individuals were verified and 15 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to Lamphal police station for further verification. The team also conducted cordon and search operation at Maharani Bridge, Hindu Hotel, Kasturi and Zalal of Nagamapal area from 7:50 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. A total of 472 individuals were verified and 18 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Imphal East Commando team arrested a suspected member of proscribed KCP People's War Group yesterday. The arrested person is identified as Wahengbam Somendro alias Bobby, 41 years, son of late W. Ibomcha from Takiel Khongban, Moirang Thong. Acting on a tip-off received by Imphal West Control Room, the commando team arrested Somendro, who is suspected to be a self-styled town commander, Imphal East of the outfit from his residence around 6:30 last evening. One mobile phone with 2 SIM cards were seized from him. Somendro was handed over to Lamphal police station for further investigation. Central Media Coordinator Secretary of Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party, KCP People's War Group Marxist Center, Lenin Mitai, in a press release clarified that Sanabam Gunajit Mangang alias Ngongo, 42 years, son of S. Dhabaljit from Odipoka Brabham Laikai, who was arrested by Manipur Police Commando on February 16, has no connection whatsoever with People's War Group Marxist Center. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inconveniences faced by state police, especially women personnel, due to the lack of basic amenities at Ziribam foreigner checkposts. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur police, especially the women personnel, are facing major inconveniences in carrying out their duty of checking entry of illegal migrants from Assam in Jiribam due to lack of proper staff quarters and other basic amenities. Jiribam foreigner checkpost is also in dire need of CCTV cameras. A report in this regard from Impact News reporter Khetri Mayum Premchand.
As a part of DIPers conducted internal press tour from February 15 to 17, media persons inspected foreigner checkpost at Jiri Market. Personnel at the checkpost built over Jiri River are dutifully checking identification proofs from people entering Manipur from Assam.
Non-Manipuri lakwa passenger ka yoro passenger ID amasung NRC Aadhaar card Xerox copy lahoraga makoy handa dum sanggoda kaya hapti pasangan ba tabok subu lakwa railway da tabok subu lakwa le passenger khoina Aadhaar card ama piraga jama taramba.
Jiribam police is working earnestly 24/7 at a checkpost to prevent entry of illegal migrants. Unfortunately, women police personnel at a checkpost are facing immense difficulties due to lack of proper accommodation. Repeated requests to install CCTV cameras at Jiribam foreigner checkpost to monitor trespassing and prevent human traffickers and drug dealers went to deaf ears of the authority concerned.
PSP to the proposal Asida heck, upon a such a CCTV camera, Amakilagadi, by tracking to the proposal PSP the area, PSP consider Toga, or now the Canary higher to capture the Clandi Matabi, with a sea lagadi, young and effective when in the
Meanwhile, Manipur police is keeping a strict vigil against illegal migrants on both roadways and waterways in Jiribam. Police picket at Jirimuk areas neighboring Assam is checking illegal trespassers from Assam across Barak River. So far, around 60 individuals without proper identification proofs were prevented entry into the state since the setting off of the police picket.
Bhutan Khal, Biun Bang, Suto Bigra outside. Line thank you. Nijer card बाहर करिया हाथी धरिया रखो এই যে अपना बारे सुन दियो मखोइना अयाम्बा मफम असिदा संगकदि मखोइगी सेंदान लंबी ट्रक लंबी ओइना अयाम्बा ओइना तौई लोइना लोइना डॉक्यूमेंट जाउदबसिंग सि अखोइना मियोय हुमफुगी मथक्ता हौजि पौदा हालनख्रे अदुगा मियोय मंगा गुंबा मना जिरि बाम पुलिस स्टेशन हेनो पार्ट ऑफ जखै एसपी साहेब सार मुलु कुमारगी मखादा पिकेट पोस्ट अमगा आउट पोस्ट अमगा सो अनोबा हांख्रे क्रे हौजि पुकरनिदि थोदोबा दोंसादबा मथै.
It is high time that relevant authority ensures proper accommodation and other necessary equipments to state police who are working earnestly to prevent entry of illegal migrants in Manipur. For Impact News, this is Ketermayum Premchand reporting from Barak River.
Manipur State Legal Services Authority MSLSA in a press release informed that it will organize Lok Adalat at Lamphal Court Complex on March 9th to finish pending court cases. Interested individuals who want to complete their cases may inquire MSLSA office at the High Court Complex or District Legal Service Authorities in relevant District Court Complex. Manipur Dramatic Union observed Artist Day at Yai School MDU Hall today. President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Professor I.S. Kangjam, MDU President A. Shri Gopal and Advisor of Critics, Forum Manipur Professor Antombi graced the event. Khomdram Dhanachandra Memorial Award 2019 was conferred to eminent theatre director and chairman of Chorus Repertory Theatre, Dr. Ratan Thiam, on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Professor I.S. Kangjam stated that Manipur, despite being a small state, produces many eminent personalities in every field. He stressed the need to write biographies and on these eminent personalities to popularize them and their works among the upcoming generations and to the world.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯃꯆꯤ ꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯪꯉ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯒꯨꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯆꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯃꯥꯇꯤꯛ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯔꯇꯟ ꯊꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯊꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ
Solitary Reliever, a poetry book by Chirom Kingking, was released at the community hall of Sagolban Yenkom Leirak Machin today. Sahitya Thokpang Club and Yangkhom Lairak Development Club jointly organized the book release event. Station Director of AIR Imphal Dilip Mayingbam, Sahitya Academy awardee Sarachan Thiam, eminent writer Arambam Mimchobi and Vice Chairman of JNMDA Hizam Tombi attended the event. Fortnight certificate course on basic of news reporting was launched at CI College, Bishnupur. Principal of CI College, Dr. M. Mangi, launched a course organized by State Institute of Journalism, SIJ, under Directorate of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, which will be attended by 30 trainees. Thoubal College bagged Best College Award during recent Northeast Graduate Congress 2019 held in Meghalaya University of Science and Technology. Meghalaya and Regional Institute of Science and Technology 9th Mile jointly organized by the Congress at the auditorium of Meghalaya University of Science and Technology from February 15 to 17th. Thoubal College won Best Kabaddi and Best Group Dance title as well as bagged second position in Cultural Procession event. Divine Life Club Hyroke in a press release drew the attention of the relevant authority to the inconveniences facing by the class 10 and 12 board examination appearing students due to lack of electricity in Hyroke area. And now the sports news. Manipur's cyclist Laitonjam Ronaldo set a new Asian record by winning a gold medal in team sprint event of 26th Junior Asian Trek Cycling Championship held at Jakarta City, Indonesia from January 9th till 13th. He also bagged a gold medal in 1 kilometer individual time trial and a silver medal in 200-meter sprint individual event of the championship. Laitonjam Ronaldo also recently set a new national record by winning 2 gold medals in junior and senior team sprint event of 48th Junior and 71st Senior National Track Cycling Championship held at Jaipur in Rajasthan from January 30 to February 3rd. He also bagged a bronze medal in senior time trial event and a silver medal in 200-meter individual sprint event of the championship. The cyclist is the son of El Roman and Sundari from Wangkaining Thempukri Mapal. He started cycling at National Cycling Academy in New Delhi since June 2016. Laitonjam Ronaldo is currently in national coaching camp in New Delhi. He is practicing earnestly to bag a gold medal in the upcoming 2024 Olympic Games. The cyclist appealed to people of the state, sports enthusiasts and the government to extend assistance for his endeavor to bring laurel for the state.
Cycling cycling is expensive way. Look, cycle Honda sponsor the 2024 Olympics is successful the successful country state dream successful 2024.
FC Imphal entered semi-final of the first KC Sharma's Memorial Veteran Football Tournament. In the first quarter match played today, FC Imphal defeated FVFA Uyumpok 1-0. TH Daljit scored a lone winning goal at 53rd minute of the match. 8 football teams are participating in the football tournament jointly organized by KC Sharma Memorial Trust and Sekta Sporting Club Sekta under the aegis of United Veteran Football Association of Manipur at playground of Sekta Sporting Club since January 13th. Flame Imphal will play against IEVFA Salanthong in the second quarter final match, while VSA Thangmaiban will lock horns with Sangai FC Thangmaiban in the third quarter final match tomorrow. Musa Chekon will play against ATVFA Thangmaiban in the fourth quarter final match later on. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 28,949 students appear Class 12 examination 2019 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosin in 100 examination center. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina counters BJP National President's claim to pass CAP 2019 in Rajya Sabha when BJP reigns again. And lack of basic amenities as Ziribam foreigner checkpost hinders state police, especially women personnel, in carrying out their duty of checking illegal migrants.